Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna show you how to make a PubG account on a mobile device. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to create a new account on PubG and start off with it, then the first thing to do is to make sure that you've downloaded the PubG mobile application on your mobile device. If you've not done that yet, simply go ahead and open up your Play Store and download PubG. Simply go ahead and open up your Play Store or your App Store and search for PubG into the search box at the top. Once you make a search for the app, find the application in the search result and install the application on your mobile device right away. Once you have the installation completed, tap on the play button to launch the app open and wait until you end up in this page over here. You can simply go ahead and create a new account for PubG. You can use a Twitter account, your Facebook account, or your phone or email option. You can also tap on the More button and choose other login methods to start up. Select any one login method of your choice. Follow the on-screen prompts and on the next page, select your region and your country and tap OK. Select your gender and edit your appearance on the next page. And in the text box right beneath your character, type in your nickname you would like to use for yourself. Once you've done that, tap on Create button at the bottom right in yellow. Soon after you're done, you'll be able to see that you have successfully created a PubG mobile account. Simply go ahead and follow through the instructions on the display in order to start off and play your PubG mobile game. I hope you learned how to do it. If the tutorial was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.